Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll share with you how to create a Google Meet link in Google. So what you're going to do here is you're going to open your web browser, and when you open your web browser, you can just type meet.google.com in your URL. It's going to take you to this page. It's the landing page. Now, on this landing page, you have all these things that are going on, but what you should focus on is this site. On this side, you have the option for creating a new meeting and also the option for joining a meeting. That is if you have a code to the meeting. So you can have a code or a link to a meeting. So now what we want here is to create a link. You can just click on new meeting, and here you're going to see these options. Now for creating a link that you can share with anyone on WhatsApp or through email or whatever, you can just click on this option here. It's going to create a joining link. So what you can do here is you just copy this and paste it via email, via WhatsApp, or whatever you want. That's number one option there. But then you see, we also have another option here for the instant meeting, which then later on is going to give you a link that or a code that you can share with other people also on WhatsApp or anywhere. When you click on this here, it's going to open a new tab, and here it's going to open Google Calendar, and it's going to give you the ability to title this meeting with whatever name you want. Then you have the date when it's going to happen and the time and when it's going to end and when it's going to end. Here you have the time zone and everything. If it's going to be an all-day event, you can turn this on. If not, you can just turn that off. Then down here you have the link and the location where it's going to be, and if you want an email notification or these details, you have all these options here. And down here you can also go on and add the description for this meeting. Then you see here we can copy this link that we can then share with people who want to invite to the meeting or whoever we want. This side we also have the guest option where you can just click and type the email addresses of the people who want to notify of this event. And so when you're done with that, let's just put a random uh, title here and save this detail. And here you're going to see that it's going to be added on our, our calendar here. When I click on this, I still have the option to copy this link. I can paste it in a document. So for instance, here, it's going to show me the title for this meeting, the date when it's going to start, and when it's going to end, for how long, the time zone, and also where this is going to be happening. So it's going to be happening in Google Meet. And so the joining information, the video call link, you can see the link is here. And so you can copy this also and paste it and share it with whoever you want on WhatsApp, through email, Facebook, or anywhere. So this is how you can copy and create a link in Google Meet. And these are the two ways of creating a link. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Google Meet, please drop them in the comment section. I'll respond to you. If otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.